Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to make a new project in Planner 5D. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in planner5d.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Planner 5D if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the product, the resources, enterprise, the pricing, and in the top right corner we have of course your languages, your notifications, and your projects, design school, renders, favorites, notifications, profile settings, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and make a new project in Planner 5D. So when you're here in the dashboard in all of the projects, or this is a default when you go into 5D and log into your profile, as you can see, the first big thing that pops out is new project. You just need to go and click on new project. And here, as you can see, you can go start from scratch, smart wizard, upload a plan, templates, your project, and hire a designer. Of course, if you want to create your own, just click start from scratch. And here you can go and create your project. So you have a home here with four walls that you can go, of course, change and do whatever you want in them. And that's how you make a new project. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, of course, as always, bye guys.